Welcome back to a sneak peek of lesson 2 of our groundbreaking course for credit repair entrepreneurs. In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can supercharge your business by unlocking the potential of ChatGPT. You know the struggle of crafting persuasive dispute letters or creating engaging social media content, don't you? You know the hours spent, the frustration of not quite getting it right, and the constant worry that you're losing precious time that could be spent on more valuable tasks. It's a path you don't want to head down. But how do you know how to avoid it? Well, ChatGPT isn't just a solution, it's a transformation. ChatGPT is your AI-powered virtual assistant, taking care of tasks that have always bogged you down. Now, whether it's challenging inaccuracies on credit reports, crafting captivating content, or gaining insights for critical decisions, ChatGPT can handle it all. So in this lesson, we're going to dive into 2 primary interfaces: web-based platforms and integrated systems. Imagine the growth and efficiency and success this could bring to your credit repair business. You know, the struggles you faced will just become a thing of the past. This preview is just the tip of the iceberg. Dive into the full course and understand, utilize, and transform your business operations with ChatGPT. Go ahead, click the link below, right down below, preview the next lesson. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and enroll today, and I'll see you on the inside.